morning, dear students. Welcome your 4th standard English classes. How are you all? I hope all of you fine. Okay, in the first semester, you have total 7 chapters in your textbook. 5 stories and 2 poems. Okay, now first let's go our first chapter. Yes, all of you take page number 3. Page number 3. Okay, all of you took page number 3. Now, all of you listen here. All of you listen. Yes, our first chapter name is The Khichdi Trick. The Khichdi Trick. Okay. First, we can see a picture in your textbook. What is that? Look at the picture. A lady picture. Yes. Look at the picture. What is that? Here, giving you a 4 option for you. Now, let's discuss what is that. First option, justice. What is meant by justice? Did you heard about this word anywhere? What is meant by justice? Okay, justice mean equality. Justice mean equality. Then, or respect for people. Justice for equality. Then, next, kingship. What is meant by kingship? Kingship means a possession of king or a king. Possession of a king. Kingship means king. Then, buying food. Third option is that buying food. Buying food means the same meaning, buying food. Then, last word is that war. Last word is that war. What is meant by war? Conflict. Conflict means war. Here we can see a picture, and here giving 4 option for you. Select the answer. First one is justice. And second one is kingship. And second one is kingship. And third one is buying food. Third one is buying food. Then last option is that war. Last option is that war. Actually, this answer is justice. This answer is justice. This is symbol of equality. The picture is symbol of equality. This picture is symbol of equality or respect for people. Respect for people. Okay. I hope all of you understood. Okay. Now we can go through our story. Yes, very good. Before that, all of you take pencil and tick here justice. Here tick justice. Okay, all of you take it. Yes, very good. Now we can go through our story. Yes, all of you listen the story very carefully. I'll read the story and give you meanings. Okay, the Khichdi Trick. What is our story name? Khichdi Trick. Okay, all of you listen your textbook. One day, Emperor Akbar and Birbal were standing at a palace window, looking at the beautiful lake in the palace gardens. Yes, one day, Emperor and Akbar. Yes, one day, Emperor Akbar and Birbal. Did you heard about Akbar and Birbal stories in earlier class? you heard lots of story about Emperor Akbar and Birbal. Here our story's main characters is this Emperor Akbar and Birbal. Okay, one day, Emperor Akbar and Birbal were standing at the palace window. One day, Akbar and Birbal were standing palace window, looking at the beautiful lake. What are they doing? Looking at the beautiful palace lake and gardens. Then suddenly the Akbar asked to Birbal. I don't think all of you listen to the conversation, okay? I don't think anybody would spend a whole night in the cold water of this lake for a reward. Yes, Akbar said that I don't think anybody would spend a whole night. Anybody can't spend a whole night in the lake. Akbar said that. What is that? Yes, any person can stand the cold water one night. If anyone is standing a one night, we can give a reward. That is Akbar is saying. Then Birbal said that, replied that, I'm sure, yes. Birbal said that, I'm sure I can find such a person, Jansha. Yes, Birbal is replied that, I'm sure I can find such a person. Yes, Birbal confidently saying that, I'm sure I can find out such a person. One night standing in the cold water. Jansha. Surprised. Yes, Akbar is surprised. Emperor Akbar said. Yes, Emperor Akbar was very surprised about the Birbal's reply. Then next conversation. All right, I challenge you to find such a person. Yes, Akbar challenge Birbal. All right, I challenge you to find such a person. If the person can stand for one whole night in the cold water of this lake. Yes, Akbar saying that. What is that? If any person can stand one whole night in the water, I shall reward him with 1,000 gold coins. Yes, what is the reward? Yes, 1,000 gold coins. 1,000 gold coins I will give the person. If anyone could stand the cold water one night, I will give a reward for the man. What is that? 1,000 gold coins. Yes. Okay. Now, all of you take page number 4. Page number 4. Okay. First dialogue. Soon, Birbal found a poor man who was desperate enough to accept the challenge since he had to pay his debts. What happened? Yes, our Birbal is find out such a person. Soon, Birbal found a poor man who was desperate. Yes, at last Birbal was find out a person who was desperate. What is my desperate? Desire person called desperate. Yes, a poor desperate man enough to accept the challenge since he had to pay his debts. Okay, then Birbal said to our saying to our desperate man, the poor man, you will be rewarded for standing in the cold lake water for one night, dear man. Yes, asking Birbal very gently asking to that man, you will be rewarded for standing in the cold lake water for one night, dear man. Yes, he is saying that if you are standing in the cold water one night, the king king give you a reward for you. The poor man saying that I accept this challenge. Yes, I accept this challenge as I need money to pay my debates. Yes, the man said that I accept this challenge. Then the two person Birbal and the poor man um, went to the palace. Birbal brought the man to the emperor court. Yes, Birbal brought the man to the emperor court. Then saying to our Akbar, 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 Jain Shah, this man has accepted your challenge of standing in the cold lake water for a night. Yes, Birbal saying to Akbar, Jain Shah, this man has accepted. Yes, this poor man is accepted your challenge of standing in the cold lake water for a night. Ah, this man is accepted to this challenge. Then Akbar saying that, well, yes, well, then your challenge will start tonight. Yes, Akbar saying that your challenge is start tonight. This night is starting your challenge. Then after that day, night, next day, morning, what happened? So dear man, yes, the man, the poor man is came the court. So the Akbar asking to that poor man, so dear man, did you indeed spend the whole night in the cold lake water? Did you spend one night in the cold water? Yes, Akbar asking that poor man, did you spend a whole night in the cold water? The poor man is saying that, yes, Jahanshah. Surprised. Yes, Jahanshah, that poor man spent a whole night in the cold water. Very surprised. Akbar was amazed. Yes, Akbar was amazed. Akbar was asked the poor man, how did you manage to spend the night in the such freezing water? Yes, Akbar is asking to that poor man. What is that? How did you manage? Yes, how did you manage in the cold water? How did you manage to spend the night in the such a freezing water? Yes, then all of you take page number 5. All of you take page number 5. Can you think what reply the poor man saying? Okay, look at the story. The poor man is saying, I kept my attention fixed on the lamplit. Yes, the poor man saying that, gently saying that. What is that? I kept my attention fixed on the lamplit. Yes, he kept his attention to the lamplit in the window of your palace. Yes, he kept his attention fixed on the lamplit of your palace, the court palace window, and did my best not to think of the cold water. Yes, I didn't think of the cold water. I didn't think of that cold water. I just fixed my attention in the lamplit and I didn't think about the cold water. Yes, Akbar saying that. What is that? In that case, I won't get any reward as you survived on that warmth of the lamp. What happened? The Akbar saying that in that case, You don't get any reward. You don't get any reward. What happened? As you survived on the lamp of the warmth of the lamp. Akbar saying that he survived uh, the lamp of the the warmth of the lamp. Because of that, he can't. The Akbar can't reward the didn't give the reward to the poor man. The shocked and surprised the man came to Birbal. What happened? The poor man is very sad. Yes. What happened for the? What is the reason for that sadness? Yes, Akbar didn't give him reward. Then the poor man, uh, went to Birbal. He shocked and surprised came to Birbal. I have been denied my reward, sir. What is mine? What is mean by divined mean refused. The poor man said to Birbal, I have been denied my reward, sir. Please do something about it. Yes, please do something. Please do something. Something about it. Then Birbal is thinking, yes, let me think of a solution. Yes, Birbal is said that, let me think a solution. You don't worry. Let me think a solution for this problem. Next day at Akbar court. Next day, Akbar court. Where is Birbal? Yes, Akbar is asking the messenger, where is Birbal? Messenger, call him. Yes, the Akbar asking to the messenger, where is Birbal? Call him. Yes, call the Akbar. The messenger returned after a short while. All of you listen your textbook very carefully. Okay. I hope all of you can follow my reading. Okay. The messenger returned after a short while. The messenger returned after a short while. While. Uh, then the messenger said to Akbar, what happened? Jahanshah. Yes, Jahanshah. Birbal will not be able to come today. Yes, Birbal cannot came today. What happened? He is busy cooking khichdi. Yes, he is busy with cooking khichdi. Because of that, he can't came to court today. Okay. What? Then Akbar is asking, what? That's strange. That's strange. I will go to see what he's up to. I will come. I will go to see what he's up to. Yes, the Akbar is directly went to Birbal house. Then all of you take page number 6. All of you take page number 6. Emperor Akbar went to Birbal house. At last, Akbar, yes, our Emperor Akbar went to Birbal house. Then asking to Birbal, Akbar asking to Birbal, Birbal, what is in that pot? What is in that pot? Yes, Akbar asking to Birbal, what is in that pot? Why is it hanging 5 feet above the fire? Look at the picture. You can see the fire here and the khichdi pot here. Look at the picture very closely. The fire is here and the khichdi pot is here. 5 feet above the different 5 feet difference. Khichdi pot and the fire. This is 5 feet difference. Okay. Then Akbar is asking that Birbal, what is in that pot? Why is it hanging 5 feet above the fire? Yes, you can see the picture. The pot and fire difference is 5 feet. 5 feet. Then Birbal is replying that what I am cooking khichdi, Jahanshah. Yes, confidently our Birbal is saying that I am cooking khichdi, Jahanshah. Yes. Then Akbar is anxiously asking to Birbal, how can the khichdi be cooked if it is so far away from the fire? Yes, that is a correct question. What is that? How can the khichdi be cooked if it is so far away from the fire? Birbal said that this is khichdi pot. Yes, in pot in khichdi. Then Akbar is asking that how the khichdi is cooked. How is the khichdi is cooked? The fire warm is 5 feet difference. Then how the khichdi is cooked? How can the khichdi be cooked if it is so far away from the fire? Then gently our Birbal is replied that if the poor man can be warmed by the lamp lit in the palace window, then gently the Birbal is saying that if the poor man can be warmed by the lamp lit the palace window, the same thing. Yes, here happened that here the fire and the khichdi pot is very different, very different, 5 feet different, because the khichdi didn't cook, because the khichdi didn't get the warm of this fire. The khichdi didn't get the warm of fire because this is not cooked. The same thing is happened in the palace lake. The Birbal is asking that if the poor man can be warmed by the lamp lit in the palace window, I too can cook khichdi like this, Jansha. Jansha is asking that a logical question. What is that? If that poor man can get warmth from the lamp lit, cook the khichdi like this. Jahanshah is asking. Sorry, Birbal is saying to our Akbar. Akbar was taken aback. Yes, Akbar understood that his mistake. Yes, Akbar understood that his mistake. Akbar was taken. All of you look at your textbook. Akbar was taken back. He realized his mistake and gave the poor man the reward he deserved. Yes, at last, the end of the story, our Akbar was realized his mistake and gave the reward to the poor man. Then the poor man is saying that thank you, Jahanshah. The poor man is saying that thank you, Jahanshah. I hope all of you understood this story. You do one thing. You read this story 5 times. Very very carefully. Okay, you read this story 5 times very carefully. Okay, then I hope all of you understand this story. Okay, now I will give you some words to write in your notebook 5 times. Okay, I will give you some words to write 5 times in your notebook. All of you take page number 3. All of you take page number 3. Look at this picture. Sorry, look at this page. I will give you some words here. First, kitchery trick. Our first word is that kitchery trick. Kitchery trick. K-H-I-C-H-R-I. Kitchery trick. Trick. T-R-I-C-K. Kitchery trick. Then next word justice. Next word justice. J-U-S-T-I-C-E. Justice. Then next word surprise. Last of the textbook. Surprised. S-U-R-P-R-I-S-E-D. Surprised. Surprised. Then next word reward here. Reward. R-E-W-A-R-D. Reward. Then next page. All of you underline this word, okay? Kitchery trick, justice, and surprised, reward. Okay, all of you take next page. Page number 4. Then next word desperate. Here blue color word desperate. D-E-S-P-E-R-A-T-E. Desperate. Okay. Then next word amazed. Next word amazed. A-M-A-Z-E-D. Amazed. A-M-A-Z-E-D. Amazed. Okay. Page number 5. Attention. Next word attention. A-T-T-E-N-T-I-O-N. Attention. Then denied. Blue color word denied. D-E-N-I-E-D. Denied. Solution. S-O-L-U-T-I-O-N. Solution. Then next last page. Hanging. Here hanging. H-A-N-G-I-N-G. Hanging. Then next word warmed. Here next word warmed. W-A-R-M-E-D. Warmed. Then next, okay, sorry, this is the last word warmed. Then first all of you underline these words, okay? After that all of you write these words 5 times in your notebook, okay? All of you listen here. You write very neatly, okay? First you write chapter name, and after that you write these words 5 times in your notebook, and all of you read this chapter 5 times. It helps to improve your reading capacity. Okay, I hope all of you understood this class. Okay, thank you.